guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alyssa. I am so excited today because we are reviewing the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's get into it. I had the same iPhone 8 Plus for the past like 5 or 6 years. I've had it all the way through college and this exact same phone case too. So I felt that since this is kind of what I do with my free time slash what I would eventually like to kind of be part of my career, kind of be appropriate to finally upgrade. I have also graduated from college, so I do have a degree and I work full-time now, which is also helpful for paying for this phone. So let's start with that. The cost of this phone is about $1,700-ish. Quite an expensive phone, I'm not even gonna lie. I myself did choose to do the payment plan through T-Mobile because while I could pay it off in full, I just find that at this stage in my life right now, it's easier for me to just combine that with my payments. So let's get into it. I am so excited. I haven't even touched anything. I did order 2 phone cases and a screen protector on Amazon. Haven't opened it yet, so we're going to do a live unboxing of that and the phone itself. I have not opened it yet. I actually just got off my shift at work at the bank and ran home as soon as I could and wanted to film this video for you guys. So I haven't really seen anything about it. I will say right away, the box is quite a bit skinnier than some of the other iPhone releases. It also is probably because they stopped doing the charging blocks and the cable itself is a bit different. So it's the Type-C versus the regular iPhone charger. So I'm very excited to pop this thing open. So let's go ahead and start with that. All right, you guys are truly getting an over-the-shoulder view right now. But here is the box and I am so excited. I have my little cloud cutter that I got on Amazon. However, I think this one is a peel. And one more at the bottom. The moment we've been waiting for, guys. Ah! Oh my god. This is huge. Oh my goodness. Here it is in all its glory. As you can see, I chose to do the silver slash like white option. It's very smooth. And then a feature of this phone is that this is the first time that titanium has been used as the material for the phone itself. And so it is quite a bit of a lightweight. I'm gonna take this and oh, this is so satisfying. So before diving more into the phone, it looks like we do get a charger with it, but not the block. So we have the Type-C cable, which will be helpful momentarily because I'm sure it might need some more juice in there. So we will put that back for now. And then the little card, just explaining more about the phone. And then this card just says that we don't need a physical SIM anymore. And so we'll be using an eSIM, which I did kind of know that already while researching. And then, of course, we got our little Apple sticker that comes in it. So not a whole lot of instruction. And keep in mind, I am setting my phone up at home. So hopefully I don't have any difficulty. Back to the phone itself. It feels so slippery and I'm scared it's just gonna like whoop right out of my hand. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the side. So one thing right away that is quite different than what I'm used to with my phone is that on the side, the cameras actually do come out. I know that's not a new feature, but it's new to me, so. Additionally on the phones, usually it has a kind of switch to turn the volume on and off. So on this, I guess it's just a button, and then obviously have the sound buttons on this side. And then over here we have the power button, and yeah, no place really to put the SIM card, unless maybe that's this here. I'm not quite sure, but I know that eSIM is really being promoted by them. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Maybe. Of course, I chose the one day to film this that I ironically don't have good nails, so sorry about that. But I am excited. Hello. Konnichiwa. If you guys are watching and you're like, dang, she doesn't even know how to use this phone, I don't, because side-by-side comparison, as you can see, I've been dealing with the home button still. Actually, I don't even know if you guys can see. So this is going to be an upgrade for me. Oh my god, ew, look at all my finger marks. I've been using a home button still, so this will be an upgrade just for me to have Face ID even. Major thing on this phone upgrade is going to be the camera situation. So this is what I had before. So it's going to be quite different just visually for me, seeing the camera difference. let's get started. Just wanted to make it a little bit closer so you guys can see. So English, United States. Now this is where I think I may need help. Oh, popped right up there. Okay, so I guess we'll go like this. Sorry if this is like not interesting, but to me it is. I have no idea how long this is gonna take, so hopefully not like forever. Okay, while my phone is deciding to update or do whatever it's doing, we are going to open my new cases. Honestly, before I got my phone, I was trying to find some cute cases on like reputable websites, you know, like the T-Mobile store itself and Casetify and things like that, and I guess they didn't drop until the pre-orders came out, so I finally was able to find like the first batch of phone cases for this model, and Amazon had some really good ones, so if you like these ones, I will link them below. We are going to use my little cutter now. I am very excited. Okay, so exciting, looks great. We don't need that. Let's see, what is this first one? Oh, it's the pink one. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Oh, I thought the whole thing was gonna be pink. That's interesting. That's another new thing about this phone that I thought was cool too. So there's two ways to charge it, either with the USB-C cable, or there's also like a ring that's just a magnet that sticks on, or for those who already had the phones, if you just set it on the little magnet, it will charge that way. But yeah, so I decided to get cases that were compatible with that feature. This is very smooth and buttery feeling, which I like, and then kind of has these like rose goldish accents on the side. So this one is pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and it does come with stickers too. That's cute. Oh my god, I love the Halloween one. That is very cute. So I will link that below for you guys if you like this one. And it was pretty cheap, which is the thing I liked about it as well. Okay, and then the other one I got, I went for more of an everyday kind of color. Okay, I guess. Where's my little cloud thing? And this one is supposed to be, oh. I'm so confused right now. I don't know what, this is what I thought it was gonna look like, and then this is what showed up, so if you can see my concern slash confusion. So this phone case did actually come with a screen protector, which I appreciate, and kind of that's part of the reason why I bought it, so I'll be making sure to put that on. And then this is going to have some glitter on it. Ooh, and another peely thing, I love these. So this one, if you can see up close, has quite a bit of glitter in it. Peel these off as well. So if you like these, I will be linking them below if you also just got the new phone. Well, in my opinion, these are pretty cute. You guys, this is exciting for me. I finally get to join the Face ID club. It's telling me to move my face slower. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. It's not working. Okay, now I have to transfer all my data, so we're gonna be here for 10 business days. Here we go! Guys, everything is syncing over. If you know me in real life, you know I've been waiting for this moment. Like, every time a video on my phone does not turn out, I'm like, oh, I just want a phone so bad, like a new phone so bad. Finally, oh my god, I'm so blessed to be able to have this finally. Also, this is by far not a tech review channel, so if that's what you came here for, hey, you're kind of not getting that, sorry. But hopefully I'm entertaining. Getting dark out now. It's like 6:30 at night, so my plan is to grab my boyfriend John and then go outside and see how far we can get this camera to zoom, because I am very excited. We're going on a trip actually in 2 weeks, so this is like the perfect timing for this phone to come out. We're going to the East Coast on the shoreline to like Salem for Halloween time, and I'm so excited for it, and this makes it so great. Alright, I'm gonna let it do that and be right back with you guys. That button I was telling you guys about earlier on the side, I forgot. That's another cool feature about this, is if you like double tap it or triple tap it however many times you want, you can have it set to do specific things. So I could set it so like if I click it 3 times, my flashlight turns on, for example. It lets you, there's a shortcut on here to do voice memos. So if you're like sitting in a room with someone, you can just start recording a conversation. That's kind of odd. Alright guys, my phone is for the most part up and running, and I would like to go outside now and test my phone out before it gets too dark outside to see how far this camera actually will zoom. So let's go outside. Okay, let's see if I can screen share. Oh my god, I have Face ID now, it's so weird. It's so loud outside. Okay. Guys, we are going to take our first 0.5 outfit photo. Oh my god, this breaks. Okay. Okay. This is fun. I like that. Okay. Now we're gonna try the 0.5 or the times 5 thing. So I have this pumpkin that I got at Target. It's just a plastic pumpkin, and I'm gonna go set it across our neighbor's yard in their pile of leaves, and I'm gonna see how well we can zoom in with the phone. Okay, actually, change of plans. I'm just gonna put this over here. We're gonna go way far away. As you guys can see, the pumpkin is way over there, and we're gonna go into this. That is pretty good. Oh my god. You can see John way over there. That's a pretty good zoom. Oh my god. That is pretty good though. It's like pretty clear. That is pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, thank you so much if you've stayed to this point in the video. I know this is like not really a tech review, but I'm not a tech review channel, so if you were expecting that, sorry. I'm sure there's like way more features on this phone that I have yet to discover, so if you also got the new phone, make sure to comment down below what your favorite thing is about it. Honestly, I just want to go out and take some videos now because I have had such a terrible quality camera for so long. I am very excited to just have a fresh, new, clean, crisp, beautiful camera on my phone. I don't typically post videos like this, so if you like kind of fashion / what it's like to be an adult after college, make sure to subscribe to stick around for next time. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!